What's up, guys? This is Daniel Flores with another video. And today we're getting some constant lightning coming to Dalton right now. Today is Wednesday, May 1st, 2019. This time's not a lightning storm, it's just some crazy storms. So I'm gonna have to stay still. Josh is Super Tagger, tell me if there's lightning. Okay, why is this so hard? Let me try opening this. Oh my goodness. I caught that on video. That was right over there. They almost caught me to the south, man. I might say this is constant lightning, that the lightning just won't stop. It just goes there for every 1 minute. Like, I might say this is constant lightning, guys. There's, like, lightning everywhere. That includes Calhoun, Georgia, Resaca, Georgia, Dalton, Georgia, and Varnell, Georgia. Good to know that. Anyways, at 10 o'clock, we're gonna have a thunderstorm with a precipitation of 50%, which means I'll not have the chance to record thunderstorms. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn on post notifications on. And finally, tell me in the comments how you subscribed. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.